Guys, I'm back, and today I'm going to be doing another video. Yeah, I haven't done one in like a couple of weeks. Anyways, today I'm going to be doing a desk tour, and when we hit 20 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a room tour. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's get right into it. So guys, getting right into it, I have my garbage. The most interesting part of my desk, even though it's next to my desk. It's like the best one. This is my favorite garbage. Yeah, I have a camera right in there. Yeah, this is to open it. You guys probably don't care. Anyways, moving on. Pencil shit right here. I don't know what that's gonna be used for later on. But yeah, anyways. Moving on, we have my trophy. It's made out of fucking wood. I just wish it wasn't made out of wood and actually made out of gold. Anyways, putting that back there. Moving on, we have a blood drop. This is, I actually got it at school for Emma Quebec. As you can see, the logo is right here. Anyways, you guys probably don't care. Let's get to the real stuff. Now, here's my laptop. It's on my desk. And, yeah, it's right here. My YouTube channel is open on it. Anyways. So, yeah, as you see, I put some stickers, Apple stickers, even though it's a Dell. We have my chair here. It's really destroyed for some dumb reason. That's a chair I sit on every day. As you see, tour of it. This is to put it lower or higher. Wheels. Anyways. Then we have my Logitech mouse right here. Next to my computer. And yeah, here we have a lamp. It gets hot, so I don't know why I'm touching it. It can bend. Usually lighting. It's usually for lighting. And then here we have my controller charger. You can get these basically anywhere at Walmart, whatever. Yeah, I have two chargers. I have two controllers on here. They're both PS4, just cause I'm a fan of PS4. And yeah. So guys, we're now moving on to the drawers. Let's go. Drawer here says Adam's PS4 games. As you guessed, I have my PS4 games in there with other useless stuff. Anyways, as you see, my PS4 games are in here. I'm gonna be showing you guys them properly after. I have a piece. I have a tape thing. I don't know why that's there, but that should be my other drawer. Anyways, I have my putty. It's a bit like slime. And the magnificent Vinewood sign right there. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna be showing you guys my PS4 games. So, I have 4 PS4 games that are in discs. I have more on my PS4, but yeah, these are my only disc games. So first we have Grand Theft Auto. I actually took out the Vinewood sign that was in here so that I could put it in my drawer, as you saw in that other clip. And if you open it, I have 2 discs in there. I don't know why I have 2 though. As you see, Grand Theft Auto 5. Anyway, let's close that. I also have the Call of Duty Black Ops 3 game right here. If I open it, Call of Duty Black Ops 3, right here, in it. And then my favorite game of all times, Overwatch. That was good. Overwatch is my favorite game. And yeah. The last game I'm gonna be showing is Rainbow Six Siege. I don't even know if I have the disc in here. Oh, I do. Here it is. Let's just close that in. And yeah, let's move on to the second drawer. My second drawer right here. It's actually my favorite drawer because it's all where all the duct tape is. Let's just open that. No, let me just put that there. I have 4 rolls. Right, the 5 here, plus this one equals 5. And after I have some drawing cahiers. And yeah, that's basically it for that. I used to have more stuff in here, but I threw them all out, so yeah. Of the video, we have this armoire. This is an armoire, not a drawer. Let me just open it. There is 3 stages to it. First stage, I keep random shit. Here are my markers, and this is white paint. And here, and in here we have pencils. And second stage, we have, this is coloring crayons with some white out. And yeah, that's basically it for that stage. Now for the last stage, let me just bend. We have extra. I don't know what's in here. There is this and other stuff. And here we have watercolors. And another apple sticker. So guys, that was the end of the video and of the desk tour for this week. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this video was short, but gotta do what you gotta do. I mean, that's how big my desk is. And don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, my Instagram name is actually gonna be somewhere on the screen. But yeah, peace.